Welcome to M CAD Solutions knowledge sharing blog. Today's topic is dowels. What are dowels and why are they used in BIW fixture design? Welcome to M CAD Solutions, where we empower you to redefine the art of design. Are you curious about the magic behind impeccable BIW fixture designs? Brace yourself, because we're about to unveil the extraordinary significance of dowels. Watch this video to see how dowels are used to ensure accuracy and repeatability in the manufacturing process. Discover how dowels act as the backbone of a robust BIW fixture, providing unmatched precision, stability, and repeatability. This video will revolutionize the way you approach your designs. M CAD Solutions dowels in BIW fixture design are cylindrical rods used to locate and position the BIW parts in the fixture accurately. They are typically made of hardened steel and are ground to an exact diameter. Dowels are inserted into holes in the fixture and the BIW parts and act as a reference point for aligning the parts during assembly. Here are some of the typical applications of dowels in BIW fixtures. Locating BIW parts. Dowels are used to locate BIW parts in the fixture in all three axes, X, Y, and Z. This ensures that the parts are in the correct position relative to each other in the fixture. Positioning BIW parts. Dowels can also position BIW parts in the fixture. This can be useful for aligning parts that are difficult to position manually, such as large panels or complex assemblies. Supporting BIW parts. Dowels can also support BIW parts in the fixture. This can be useful for preventing parts from sagging or deforming during welding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe for full blog. Visit our website www.mcadsolution.com.